Hey guys. So between Instagram and Facebook, I've been getting a lot of questions as to what I'm investing in because I keep sharing my profits. So today, if you want to know 3 stocks that you can invest in that are currently having great returns, even in a fluctuating market, stay tuned.
Before we get started, guys, tune in next Sunday to learn how you can save $5,000 in emergency cash in just 1 year. Okay, let's get into the good stuff.
If you don't know who I am, my name is Raquel. I work at the bank, and my coworkers have dubbed me the Boujee budget, which kind of just stuck, so now it's my name. But anyways, let's get into these stocks, because I know that y'all are here for the stock tea, the essence of the stock.
So I think to move higher, we're going to have to see some other catalysts. And
I have been saying all along, you have to write off 2020.
And that we're not going to get a fully open economy until there's a vaccine, which he said from start to finish is 18 months. And
so I'm going to take you from my least favorite to my favorite. Why? Because we watched the whole video. Ugh. Coming in at number 3 would be the INO stock. The INO stock is a pharmaceutical company that currently is doing well due to the unfortunate events of the coronavirus. The more money they pump into this pharmaceutical company, the higher the stock goes. Originally, it started out, I think, around $1, and it's currently up to about $7. Actually, let's just pull it up. Q speed. Oh, it's up. It's at 812. Woo. Okay, return. So if you're like me and you invested in it at a lower point, you're doing very well right now. Granted, it did get a little higher earlier, but it's going to continue to fluctuate. Unfortunately, there's no resolve to the coronavirus at the moment outside of self-isolation and separation. So till everything starts to get better, it looks like INO is in it for the long haul. Now, number 2, the second stock that I would recommend. Frontline, you guys, is an oil tanker company. A lady who owned one of the local restaurants came and sat with me, and we just started talking, and I was telling her how much I love studying money. So I'm gonna tell you what saved me a lot of money and has also made me a lot of money. She said people want to invest in the airlines, and people want to invest in the cruise lines and those type of things. She said the real money is not in oil itself. The real money is in the oil tankers. 1, because you can buy the shares at a lower price point, and 2, that means you can buy more of them. So at a time like this, when the economy is essentially, I don't know if it's bottomed out yet, but it's gotten pretty low, it's a perfect time to invest in things like the oil tankers, because unless our economy decides to all of a sudden completely go green, we're still going to be on oil. So number 2, Frontline. Now for the one you've been waiting for is MTDR. This stock primarily is focused on the energies such as gas and oil. 2 things we're always going to need.
At least for the next 50 years, so we all get old and die, carbon monoxide poisoning, or they come up with floating cars and we drop them off of corn oil or something.
Anyway, MTDR, you guys, I'm very heavily vested in this, and let me show you why. When the stock dropped because of this virus, it didn't just drop. Oh no, baby, it free fell. And not only did it free fall, it's one of the most promising stocks that's going on right now in the stock market. Not only is it tied into the NASDAQ, but because it's tied into oil and gas, that stock is going to be just fine. How I'm hitting these $1,000 days in the market, honest to goodness, is it an MTDR. For those who did take my financial advice, even though, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a licensed banker. I am just someone who really loves to study money. Anyways, MTDR has not only made my mother profitable, friends on Facebook profitable, myself profitable on multiple occasions. This stock right here, when it entered into the NASDAQ, entered at a $12 point. Its high was $34. So with it being only at $3 right now, if you're thinking about this on a long-term scale basis, if you decided to invest in it and wait for the long haul, I think you're going to turn out pretty happy. So guys, that wraps it up. Those are the 3 stocks that I'm currently invested in that are doing very well for me and turning continual profitable days in a falling economy. I looked at the NASDAQ and I broke it down into its components, and I looked at the most affordable stocks within the NASDAQ. To me, it does not make sense to buy shares of a company like Nike when I could have bought 70 shares of something like MTDR. That's something that our economy actually depends on. I can't give like guaranteed financial advice. I can tell you that I'm very happy with my return on investment. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be dropping one every single week. And I have some budgeting, saving, and investment resources on my website at bboujee.com.
After you nab your free resources, head on over to the shop and grab yourself a mug or a crop top.
Bye guys. Of the stock. So the first one I want to talk.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. See you Sunday. Bye.